Today, we reclaim this space. In the name of the 15 million enslaved ancestors taken through the door of no return in Ghana, in Senegal, who survived the Middle Passage, the Maafa, to land here at this port of Bridgetown, called so because the Tainos fled from the land and left this bridge, first called Indian Bridge by the British, now our swing bridge. Today, we claim this land where the cage stood, where our people, our rebellious ancestors were held in horrific conditions on display for all to see their humiliation. The enslaved, dressed in their Sunday best, came on a Sunday to greet the newly arrived, to hear their tongue, to see if it is one of their people from home. Hear the whipping post. Hear the stock where head was placed in the crook like a guillotine, arms through the holes, bottoms exposed for the master's whip. Hear the dunking stool, where women who did not behave were tied to the seat and dipped in water till they drowned or agreed to obey. Here, our people poked and probed, mouthed cracked to see black cattle for sale. Maurice Greenidge calls it the Garden of Suffering, this center from which all roads lead. The parliamentary building still stands looking. The heroes, living and dead, watching. I claiming this space. Here we stand, generations, evidence of our resilience, evidence of our power, evidence of our love. This is our sacred space, the door of new beginnings.